He's 10 years old. This is Adriana. He's 10 years old.
Not today. Not today. Not today. Not today.
Those are grade 4 and I am only a grade 3. We are in a prom of my sister, big sister. Okay, bye-bye. No. It is wonderful here.
Oh, you stand! My friend ako. Stand! Free ko lang. Kaso, hindi ko siya magagamit bukas.
He is very... It's very